Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to do a review and to show you how I do my eyebrows with henna. I kept doing them for about 3 months now and I really like it and I really like the product, so I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys as well. So the product is from Amazon. I'm gonna have it in the description link. You can actually buy it from anywhere. I guess it's gonna be the same henna. This is the one that I am going to use. It's called Mina Eyebrow Henna and it has 3 pouches like this. So each of them is for 10 application, that's what it says, and I've been using just one for now, and it's good for a really long time. So in every pouch there is another pouch like this where you have the henna and you have to mix it with water. Then you have the instructions right here. It's gonna tell you on how much to mix and how to prepare it and how to apply it on your eyebrow. And then you have the different colors available. So they have like black, dark brown, medium brown, golden brown, blonde, and all of this. So you can definitely choose your color. I went with, I think, dark brown. And the application takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and I just keep it a little bit less, so that way you just get the color that I like. And then also the kit comes with a spoon that we're gonna use to get like the henna from the inside, and then you have this epробet, I'm not sure how you call it, that you just have to put water with it, so you mix it with the spoon, and then this is for water, and then this is the little thing where you're gonna put the henna in the water and mix it. And if you have any leftover, then you can put it in this little thing and then you can use it. Also there is this little brush that we're gonna use, and I actually really like it. I'm using this one when I do my eyebrows, so I'm not using any other special ones. You don't need any other ones either. And then on the instructions it says that it's gonna stay up to 6 weeks on your eyebrows. I would say 4 weeks, and also depends like what products you're gonna use on your eyebrows, but I think it's a really good idea to put henna or to dye your eyebrows with any kind of dye, just because you don't have to fill them in every day. Especially with me having this kind of blondish, they still have a little bit of henna on, but this kind of blondish, not a lot of hair. Right now I'm also losing a lot of hair, so it's a great idea to use henna. This works for me great, and definitely if it works for you and you try it, I would love to hear it. So comment below or tag me in those and I would love them. So we're gonna go on. We're gonna take this little pouch, and I'm taking usually a spoon, or actually half a spoon, because it's a lot. And then I'm gonna put some here. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. Okay, so here you have it. I'm not sure if you can see much, but it's like a little bit of henna. This is how it looks. And then we're gonna put some water in here. Then we're gonna mix it. And you keep mixing it for like 5 minutes, so be right back. So now I mixed the product, and we have like a little paste right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but once you put the water and you start mixing, you will be able to see it. And I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows. Since I've been doing them for a while, I know like what angle to go, how I like them to do. You can go by just the normal general information on how to do your eyebrows. So first line is gonna start here at the beginning of your eye, and then the second one with the angle goes between in the middle of your eye with the nose. This is gonna be actually the high point of my eyebrow, and then at the end of your eye is with the nose connecting. This is gonna be your end of the eyebrow. So I'm gonna just do them just as I do them normally, but if you like another shape, just go for your shape. This video is more about on how to use the henna and how to do your eyebrow and how to dye them than how to do the shape of the eyebrow. So this is the little brush, and then I like to start here, and I like to put more product and let it sit. You don't have to be precise because you can always go back and clean with like a wipe or anything. So see, here is my point where I did with the okay, so this is my higher point. I'm gonna fill them in, and you can either do it all over here, you know, to do that ombre thing that you usually do with your shadow. You can either color here, wait for about 10 minutes, and then color over here and wait for 5 minutes, or what I like to do is just do everything at the beginning, and then when it's time, just wipe this part first and then let the rest sit for about 10 more minutes. So for the henna, you have to wait till of 10 to 15 minutes. So I usually wait 10 for this part, wipe it all the way to here probably, and then this one I let it stay for another 5 minutes. Or if you want a darker color, or if you want it to stay a little bit longer on, you can definitely let it stay a little bit longer. But just keep in mind, they will be pretty dark the first days. And then for me, I like it to be a little bit longer here and then a little bit thicker on the top. And then I'm going in and just cleaning anything that I don't like. You can use a wipe. There we go. And then I'm gonna fill in with some more product. I'm gonna do the second eyebrow and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Alright, so I colored both of them. I dyed them actually. So this is how they look. They look pretty dark right now, but I'm gonna wash them off. So the instructions say that you have to keep them on 10 to 15 minutes. I will keep this first part about 10 minutes and then the other part 15 minutes. I do recommend when you do henna or any kind of dye for your eyebrows to go a little bit thinner, because the dye tends to go a little bit larger, like go over the line that you're gonna create, so you're still gonna have bigger eyebrows. So I always do that, go a little bit slimmer on the eyebrows, and then they end up being thicker just because of that. But yeah, this is how I did it, and they don't have to be perfect. We can't have two exact same eyebrows anyway, so I think I did a pretty good job. You guys tell me? So I will go ahead and wash this off, and then I'm gonna show you the final look. Hey guys, this is the final look. So I took the dye off. You can see how it looks. I'm gonna take a wipe to show you that this is not any crayon or anything like that. So it is. You see some foundation, if you see, because I had it around the eyebrow, but this is the henna, so it will stay on. I would say 3 weeks it will be perfect, and then after 3 weeks it just fades. But still, you don't need to, like, I don't need to spend a lot of time every day to fill them in, since I don't have a lot of hair in there. I'm still gonna use every day some eyebrow shadow to just fill anything like in the front or anything like that. And you can see how nicely the ombre is, because I did wipe this part first and then went on the second time. Yeah, so I hope you liked it. This, I'm gonna show one more time. This is the product I used, Mina eyebrow henna. I bought it on Amazon. I think it was like $10 or $15. It's definitely a great product and a really cheap way to keep your eyebrows, especially if you have really light eyebrows and you have to work every day to fill them in. I found it perfect since I'm a mom. I recently had a baby, so I don't have time to do my makeup every day to do my eyebrows and to make them perfect. So this is one thing that I love to do is my eyebrows. Let me guys know if you like it. Subscribe, give me a like, and let me know in the comments if you'd like any other videos about that. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I will see you soon with another video.